So Dictation is a helpful Chrome accessibility feature on Chromebooks. It also is similar to voice typing that you might see on other parts of Google and Google Docs and other productivity tools. Dictation is really helpful for a variety of disabilities and for supporting our special education students. It's helpful for students with learning disabilities like dyslexia, as well as cognitive disabilities, who might struggle with spelling and grammar in the process of writing. And it allows them the ability to type with their voice and to give voice commands on their computer and type out entire essays and documents with their voice rather than relying on typing out spelling and grammar and those pieces. This is helpful for those students. So if the process of writing or typing might seem a little daunting to them, but typing with their voice is an easier way or a more accommodating alternative, they can focus more on what they want to say rather than the process itself. Dictation is also helpful for our students who have limited use of their hands, motor skill challenges, or any students who might have physical disabilities that limit the ability of them to be able to type on a Chromebook. Dictation, again, allows you to do voice commands on your device as well as type out essays with just using your voice. It's also helpful for some of our students with low vision as well, who might prefer to have the option to type with their voice rather than having to navigate or use the keyboard on their screen. So to turn on Dictation, we would go to the bottom right corner of our device, click Accessibility, and then turn on Dictation. And like some of these other accessibility features, a little icon turns up on the bottom of our screen here, and that's how we can use the Dictation feature. You can also use keyboard shortcuts as well, which I'm going to link in some of my additional resources for all of my accessibility content I'm sharing on my website today. So I can use Dictation to navigate the web by telling it to open certain folders or to open and complete processes, or I can use Dictation to help me write an essay. So if I go over here to this essay where I have started a little bit on George Washington, I can use Dictation to type out my next sentence. George Washington, period. So as you see here, it types out, and it's helpful if you type out, if you say a lot of your content at once, because it will keep pausing and you'll have to continue to keep using the microphone. So I'm going to actually enter down and start my sentence over again so I can give a little bit more accurate of an example. George Washington was the first president of the United States, period. All right, so as you can see, I'm using this feature to type out my essay. I can also use it to type out different pieces on other resources aside from just Google Docs. So again, this is a really helpful option for some of our students who have learning disabilities, physical disabilities, and individuals who need the option to use their voice to type rather than their vision in their hands.